Welcome back to This Thing's Got Problems. The thing that has problems today is this plastic dash. Someone drilled holes in it. So here we are. We're gonna fill some holes. This works for any plastic dashboard. Get it cleaned first. Isopropyl alcohol, however you say that word, and some water, and just kind of wipe off the schmutz and the Armor All and the nicotine and whatever stuck to it. Get yourself some sandpaper and a razor blade, a brand new one. Cut the little mountain off first, and then sand or smooth as much as possible. It doesn't take much. It's plastic, all right? Don't go crazy, guy. Not yet, anyways. Then we're going to fill these holes, because that's what we do here, with some super glue. And to the right there, that's a kicker. You can get both of these things at a Hobby Lobby or a hardware store or whatever. This is a thin super glue, so it's a little bit more of a pain in the butt to use, but, it'll get there. Kicker that seals it up fast. Sand her down. And then when you get tired of that, use this machine because, speed. And then fill it in some more. And then sand it some more. And then, feather it out a bit. You're not an animal. You don't want lumps. Take some Scotch-Brite. Get the rest of the dash ready for paint. I like a texture paint because it hides flaws. It's plastic. Not going for a show car here. And there you go. Your holes are filled. You're welcome. And that's about it. This works on car dashboards that had anything drilled into it, anything hard plastic. And then you realize you got to put that fairing on the bike. That's a pain in the ass. But there you go. That's your quick tip for the week. Thanks for subscribing and so on. And we'll talk to you next time.